Welcome to this video on environmental and organizational context and its impact on organizational behavior. In this session, we will explore how information technology, globalization, diversity, and ethics influence organizational behavior in today's dynamic business environment. We will also discuss key strategies for managing diversity effectively, the role of ethics in shaping organizational outcomes, and the importance of corporate social performance, CSP, in building sustainable and ethical organizations. So, stay with us as we take a deep dive into these important topics and uncover practical insights to help organizations create inclusive, ethical, and high-performing workplaces. Let's begin. Information technology, IT, plays a crucial role in modern organizational behavior. It introduces tools such as e-business, which streamline operations by reducing paperwork and costs. IT also facilitates knowledge management systems, enabling organizations to create databases for storing critical information. IT promotes intellectual capital, where employee skills and knowledge become key assets for organizational growth. These tools require effective management to utilize their potential fully and ensure smooth communication within teams. Globalization has transformed organizational behavior by enabling worldwide access to financial and human resources. However, cultural differences pose challenges. For example, US managers working in Germany may face resistance to participative leadership styles, while Japanese employees might dislike individual performance recognition. Training programs for global leadership help managers adapt to such cultural differences and foster better collaboration in multinational teams. Diversity encompasses various differences among employees, such as age, gender, and cultural backgrounds. It plays a vital role in fostering an inclusive work environment and leveraging diverse viewpoints for better decision-making. Organizations aim to balance gender representation, accommodate religious beliefs, and encourage cultural harmony. Promoting diversity leads to innovation, higher employee satisfaction, and improved competitiveness. The emergence of diversity is driven by changing workforce demographics, legal mandates, and global expansion. Organizations benefit from hiring diverse employees, as this enhances creativity and competitiveness. Legal frameworks ensure fairness, while international operations require cultural adaptability. Companies focusing on diversity often experience higher performance and innovation levels, helping them thrive in dynamic markets. Multicultural organizations are essential for managing diversity effectively. They create an inclusive environment where employees from various cultural and social backgrounds feel valued and involved in decision-making. These organizations also commit to fairness, eradicating discrimination, and fulfilling social responsibilities. Such practices enhance employee satisfaction, productivity, and organizational reputation. Organizations evolve into multicultural entities through multiple stages, starting with exclusionary practices and gradually embracing inclusivity. A multicultural organization actively involves all groups in decision-making and reinforces positive cultural values. This approach leads to better cooperation, creativity, and a harmonious work environment, enabling organizations to thrive globally. Managing diversity requires individual efforts, such as learning and empathy, as well as organizational strategies like testing, training, mentoring, and flexible programs. These approaches create inclusive environments that respect cultural differences and leverage diverse perspectives for organizational growth. Organizations like PepsiCo and Kodak demonstrate successful diversity management through innovative programs. Ethics define principles of right and wrong in organizations. Ethical problems arise from cultural influences, unfair organizational practices, external pressures, and peer influences. Companies must promote ethical behavior by setting clear policies, rewarding ethical practices, and providing training programs. Strong ethics enhance organizational performance and improve employee trust and loyalty. Ethics play a critical role in shaping organizational outcomes. Companies committed to ethical practices earn better reputations, attract loyal employees, and achieve financial growth. Compliance with legal standards minimizes risks and enhances stability. Studies show that businesses focusing on social responsibility and ethics improve their bottom lines significantly. Employee privacy is a growing ethical concern, especially with advancements in technology. Employers may monitor emails or conduct drug tests, but such actions must respect personal boundaries. Ethical organizations balance privacy and security through transparent policies and fair practices, ensuring employee trust while maintaining workplace safety and compliance. Organizations must address privacy concerns by developing clear policies and maintaining transparency about monitoring practices. Fair testing methods and support programs enhance trust and compliance. Ethical handling of privacy issues not only protects employees' rights but also boosts morale and organizational performance. Corporate social performance, CSP, refers to an organization's efforts to operate ethically, contribute to social causes, and adopt sustainable practices. Ethical operations and social responsibility programs help build public trust and enhance the company's reputation. Examples include charity work, employee wellness programs, and eco-friendly initiatives. CSP also attracts investors and customers who value sustainability, ultimately improving financial performance and employee satisfaction. Companies with strong CSP are viewed as ethical leaders in their industries. Thank you for watching this detailed presentation on the environmental and organizational context in organizational behavior. We hope you found the concepts and strategies discussed in this session both informative and useful. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about organizational behavior, leadership, and workplace management, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable insights in our upcoming videos. See you soon in the next session.